Hey. I'm sorry to bother you, but I've just never seen such a beautiful woman on this floor before. Did you just move in or something?
No, I'm here to visit a friend.
Oh, okay. So maybe, I can take you out for dinner sometime, maybe a movie.
I only date Alicia guys.
I'm practically a bishop.
You definitely are not Alicia.
I know some things.
Oh yeah? What do you know about being Alicia?
Well, I know a thing or two, but I'd much rather show you.
I'm a rich man.
I have 2 tickets to see The Weeknd.
I actually prefer Drake.
Maybe you'd like to join me for some coffee? Shisha.
I'm still not interested.
Oh, come on, baby. I can be your bishop. Just give me a chance to show you.
በሀሳብ ተገናኝተው ክንፍ ያሉለታ እንዴት ያስደስታል ከሀገር ልጅ ጨዋታ ወጋ አድርጎ በቀላል ከሚወዱት ጋር መጫወት ደስ ይላል አይደለም እንዴ ዋሸው እንዴ አይደለም እንዴ አርማሽ ነፃነት ነው ምድርሽ አረንጓዴ ድማም ያገር የልጅ አይደለሽም እንዴ ውበት ደም ግባትሽ ባገር ልብስሽ ፈክቶ አስቸገረኝ እንጂ ጥርጣሬሽ በሶ አይደለም እንዴ ዋሸው እንዴ አይደለም እንዴ